Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5
best 3D printers.
Starting at number 5.
CocoPress. The CocoPress Chocolate 3D printer is a unique machine on our best 3D printers list, as it is currently the only printer on the list designed specifically for printing chocolate. The latest chocolate printer from Ellie Weinstein, the CocoPress, is a DIY kit 3D printer that is priced at $14.99 for all the non-printed components. You can print your own or buy the parts as a bundle, and takes about 10 hours to assemble. Using a custom Marlin firmware and a Prusa slicer profile for printing, the CocoPress sits somewhere between a 3D printer and an appliance you'd find in a bakery. We were impressed with the printed parts made by the CocoPress, and found them to be as tasty as they were consistent. If you're interested in printing chocolate at home or for business and have a bit of experience with mechanical assembly, the CocoPress is an appealing option for expanding your capabilities. Similarly, 3D printing enthusiasts who are looking for a cartridge-based extrusion system to experiment with will be interested in the robust documentation provided by the CocoPress team.
Coming at number 4.
Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus. The Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus strikes a well-calibrated balance between large-format printers that offer huge build volumes and speed machines that are designed for lightning-fast prints. With a build volume of 320mm x 320mm x 385mm and a max print speed of 500mm per second, recommended 250mm per second, the Neptune 4 Plus targets users on the fringe of both of these markets without compromise. The flexible bed makes part removal a one-handed operation, and the large part cooling fan module results in high-quality parts even at fast speeds. The integrated Wi-Fi module on the Neptune 4 Plus is a welcome addition, as the printer can be easily monitored or adjusted remotely using the Fluid Clipper interface. Add in a USB webcam plugged straight into the printer and you can easily remotely monitor a print with visual feedback, all from a slicer like OrcaSlicer. The Neptune 4 Plus offers both larger build volume as well as faster print speeds without a dramatic increase in cost. With a debut price of $350, the Neptune 4 Plus is an easy choice for anyone interested in adding a larger machine to their printer fleet, with the added bonus of faster print speed as well.
At number 3.
Creality Ender 3. There has never been a more user-friendly, sub-$200 3D printer than Creality's Ender 3 V3 SE. Say goodbye to scratch builds and manual leveling. This machine takes no more than 15 minutes to assemble, then self-levels and sets its own Z height. Its modern LED interface makes the machine simple to use and comes complete with guides to walk you through filament changes and more. It's faster than previous Ender 3s with a max speed of 250mm per second, which is mainly done by way of a robust build, with linear rods on the Y-axis and dual Z-axis, rather than speedy firmware. Obviously, Creality had to cut a few corners to produce this machine. It only has one Z-stepper motor, the second Z-axis is synced with a belt. The bed has a cheaper PC surface, and there's no Wi-Fi.
Number 2 of my list.
Creality K1. The entire 3D printing community has fallen in love with high-speed printers, and Creality's new flagship, the K1, is looking to win you over. In clear response to the competition, Creality has introduced a speedy, fully enclosed Core XY machine. It boasts a maximum print speed of 600mm per second paired with an acceleration rate of 20,000mm per second. It can knock out a Speedbenchy in 15 minutes with good quality, and its normal print speed is around 5 times faster than old-school bed slingers. The K1 is retailing at $599, the same price as Bambu Lab's open frame P1P. How does it compare? In our testing, the K1 is just as fast as both the P1P and P1S, with a better interface and the ability to avoid unreliable cloud printing by using a USB stick or your private LAN. The K1 is a Core XY machine, a speedy style that Creality hasn't tried since the ill-fated Ender 7. This machine is twice as fast and with the help of Clipper's input shaping can produce excellent quality at speed. It has an all-metal hot end with a bespoke volcano-style nozzle, a Sprite direct drive extruder, and an enclosure for handling temperature-sensitive material like ABS and ASA. It's one of the few plug-and-play 3D printers on the market, arriving 99.5% assembled. All you need to do is unbox and unpack the printer. And like its rival at Bambu Labs, it can calibrate itself.
And number 1.
Bambu Lab P1S. Today's 3D printers are all about speed, and Bambu Labs P1S delivers a whopping maximum print speed of 500 mm per second, backed with an acceleration rate of 20,000 mm per second. How fast is that? Let's just say its turbo button is labeled ludicrous mode. It can knock out a speed benchy in 17 minutes with good quality, and its normal print speed is around 5 times faster than old-school bed slingers. It's not the most budget-minded printer, but it has the best out-of-the-box experience for both beginners and experienced makers. The P1S is the Goldilocks of Bambu Labs lineup, offering everything you need for very good, very fast prints without going overboard on expensive features. It's a Core XY machine, which offers both speed and smooth printing. It has an all-metal hot end with a direct drive extruder, plus it's fully enclosed for handling temperature-sensitive material like ABS and ASA. It's one of the few plug-and-play 3D printers on the market, arriving 99.5% assembled. All you need to do is unbox and unpack the printer. It even calibrates itself.
Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.